วันนี้มาเห็ดสับเนาะผักกีก้อนผักไงนี่เด้อเห็ดสับกันเลยนะปาดนี่ไงปาดซ้ายปาดขวาปาดเขาเป็นมานี่ปาดผ่านก้อนนี่เด้ขั่วมาเรียบร้อยมีhomemade steak sub today. Look at that. Open up like that. Look huge, huh? Look, same size my arm. That's huge. ก้อนมันใหญ่แขนยาวสำแขนเลยนี่ก็เอาซีนมาใส่ซีนมันอยู่นี่เรียบร้อยมา Mix up that. All right here. Steak shot. Looks good, huh? Put it down, pick it in. Like that. Looks good. I want to eat steak sup. Steak sup, we have mushroom, have steak and onion and red pepper. Look at that. Look beautiful. Looks good. Look at that. Look yummy, huh? Look at that. Look yummy. A lot of beef. Look at that. Beautiful. And I gotta put some whole mix up. And I gotta take picture of my another phone too. Look at this. Wow, steaks up. Homemade steaks up. Homemade steaks up. Look at that. And I put some little bit right here. Lettuce. Just cut. Just a little cut. One there. Cut it up. Looks good, huh? Look at that. And put some more green onion. Green onion. And more lettuce. Like that. Look at that. Looks good, huh? And one picture over here too. Looks good. Wow. Look at that. Looks good, huh? And put it up here. Looks yummy. And hot sauce. Put hot sauce in here. Look at that hot sauce. Hot sauce. Hot sauce. Put it in. And a little bit barbecue sauce in there too. How you put this thing? Oh yeah, open up now. This barbecue sauce. A little bit there. good, huh? And a little bit. This one, mustard. Look at that. Mustard. Let me see. It's open? Oh, yes, open. Even mustard. Expired already. 221. May 29. It's good. Now I cut it up now. Look at that. Huge. Whole mix up. Look good, huh? And I gotta close them up. Look at that. Huge. Huge whole mix up. Turn this side. Look at that. Huge. Kochi pate seed. Kochi pate seed. And put more. That's what you name. And now it's too big. I gotta cut them up. Okay. One slice. Okay. Two slice. 3 slice. Looks good now. Let me look at that. Cut. Cut up. And then cut up. Done. See? Cut 4 slice. Okay, short. Let me see. That's good. And let me eat. Let me see. Let me eat now. I wanna taste and I wanna eat. I wanna eat. Let me see. It's good. Yummy. I'm gonna put hot sauce in here too. You want hot sauce more? I want a hot sauce, a little bit more hot sauce. Need piquant, pit. See more. Put some. They got mint. I put some mint. Put mint in here. Mint. Good. Very good. I put onion. Got onion here. Who? Oh. Not meat. Can open up. ปิดออกเอาสิ้นสิเปิดสิ้นก็ไหลนี่มาในใส่อีกgood ฮะสิโอ้hot sauce closed up something broken. Yeah. Good. All done.